So, number 6. So, let's say meron tayong sin theta. Ito naman trigonometry, which is 3 pip. And yung condition niya, yung theta daw natin is in first quadrant. So, kung alam mo yung mga quadrant, may gets mo to. Quadrant. Yan. So, ang pinapahanap is cosine theta. Ano kaya magiging sagot? Kaya ba yung sagutin? I think kaya yun eh. So, pahapyawan natin guys ng Cartesian coordinate plane natin. Meron tayong quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, tsaka quadrant 4. Where yung quadrant 1, both positive yung ordered pair. Then sa quadrant 2 is negative and positive. Then quadrant 3 is both negative. And quadrant 4 is positive, negative. Wala lang. Sinabi ko lang. So, pinapahanap is yung cosine theta. So, basically, madali lang. So, pag trig na, ang kailangan mo naman ditong memorize na isa pa is yung SOHCAHTOA. So, ibig sabihin guys, kung meron tayong Cartesian, so, nasa first quadrant daw yung theta natin. So, pag ganito yung tsura niya. Ito yung theta. Or ito yung right angle natin na mabubuo. So, given yung 3 pip natin, wherein etong 3 sa SOHCAHTOA natin, di ba? Kung meron tayong sin theta, that is opposite over hypotenuse. So, kung meron tayong 3 pip, ibig sabihin, yung 3 natin is opposite. Kung nandito yung angle natin, guys, ito yung opposite, ito yung hypotenuse, which is 5. So, dahil meron kang 3, 5. So, kung right angle, missing nyan yung 4. So, sabi natin, ang pinapahanap is cosine theta. So, ang cosine theta, guys, or yung cosine natin is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, given naman, yung sides, ito yung angle. So, yung adjacent natin, which is yung 4, then yung 5 pa rin yung hypotenuse. So, big sabihin, 4 pip yung magiging cosine theta. So,